Challenge 1. Poisonous mushroom hunt. Each child gets a small bucket to collect the mushrooms with. And before getting started, have children spread out single pieces of toilet papers all over the gym, which are the poisonous white mushrooms. Because the mushrooms are so poisonous, children can only pick them up with their feet to keep them far away from their mouth. And they are then though, however, allowed to use the help of their hands to quickly put them into the buckets. Do one round picking up the mushrooms with your left feet only, and then one round with your right feet only. If you want new and creative games on a regular basis, then sign up for our free updates with the email newsletter right here below. You can try this challenge with a variety of different items. You can try it with little stones, with buttons, bottle lids, or anything they like. And ideally have children try both an equal amount with their left and the right foot, even though this is hard to monitor. The goal is clear. The main goal is balance, and then in addition it can become very physical because children will spend quite a lot of time on one leg, so they might get tired, so strength is the second focus. As a story, these mushrooms are super poisonous, so children need to be super careful not to get them in their mouth. That's why they pick it up with their feet first. And for progressions, the smaller the pieces, if they have to pick it up with their non-preferred foot, or the more they have to pick up, the more you increase the challenge. Want to get new and creative games for PE for ages 3 to 7? If yes, then use this link right here in the description.